how to convert binary to decimal number. Binary to decimal number converter, we can accept it. Let me snooze the inline suggestions. Now here we go. First of all, we will hashtag include iostream using namespace std. Then I'm going to include int main, return 0. Now I'm going to take the input from the user, or I can say that you enter the binary number. Int n cout enter the binary number. Then I'm going to take the number cin n. Now here the concept of function is also going to be cleared. I'm basically going to call the function in the manner like binary. I'm going to name the function as binary decimal. Okay, and here I'm going to pass the n. So this is the way by which the function can be called. Now I'm going to declare the function. Suppose I'm going to use the data type modifiers because one int can store only 4 1 byte. One int can store 4 bytes and 1 byte can store 4 bits. So here it will be, and I'm going to use some data type modifiers. Suppose long int. Okay, now I'm going to use in this manner. I'm going to declare the function, but it is not going to run, but still long int, and I have named it as binary decimal. Okay, so I'm going to call in the same manner, and here I'm going to declare int. Suppose here I have taken m. Wait a second, if you have to take the number, instead of doing long int over here, you should do it over here also, but let it be long int. Then I'm going to apply also what is, first of all, how to convert the binary to decimal by multiplying with the base 2 and increasing the power accordingly, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, in this manner. So I'm going to first of all include, right, so I have to access, first of all, this concept is coming in my mind, that I have to access each and every last digit. So for accessing the last digit, I'm going to apply the for loop. For int I equals to, I'm going to take from n only, and I will be always greater than 0. I know this might be looking a bit tough to you, but let me explain it. First of all, int m is declared over here, int n, here it will be m. I plus plus, not I plus plus. I'll write in the manner I equals to I by, it will be divided by 10 for accessing the last digit. And what will happen, that here we are going to do modulo. I'm going to store it in the last digit, int last digit. And why we are declaring it over here only, because every time we don't want the same last digit to be stored earlier, we want it to be changed accordingly. So int last digit equals to int last digit equals to I modulo 10. Last digit equals to I modulo 10. So here whatever the person is going to enter, the user is going to enter, so So it is going to divide by 10 and give, according to the modulo operator, it will give the remainder, and that would only be the last digit. And last digit equals to I modulo 10. Now what you have to do, that first of all I'm trying to show you that whether last digit is getting printed over here or not. Or you can simply write last, you have stored last digit, and we have to so if we want 2 power, so for 2 power what we are going to do, here we are going to create one more variable. Suppose then power equals to 1, and we want even the sum of every power, sum of like every bit. So I'm going to write int sum equals to 0. So now the sum would be sum equals to sum plus last digit into power. And then what I'm going to do every time, to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, it is going to go in this manner. So I'm going to increase the power by 2 every time. So power equals to power into 2. Okay, so here in the sum plus last digit whatever we'll get will multiply by power, and power equals to power into 2. Every time it is want to increase, it will want to be increased, and then we are going to see out simply, we can write the decimal form of this, the decimal form of this, not of the given number is, and then you are going to write sum. Okay, now let's run this program. Enter the binary number. Suppose user entered 1011. The decimal number is 11. Let's check once. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's given the correct code. Let us run once again. Enter. Suppose this time user enter 11011011. The decimal form is this. Okay, I hope now it would have got clear. First of all, you should have a bit concept about the function. Like here I have tried to show you that how we are calling the function from here, and then it is entering in this phase long int 1. I have created this function. Here I have created long int, but I don't think there is a need of this. You can simply leave it by without using data modifiers also. So int binary decimal int m. Here power we have declared 1, sum equals to 0. I have applied the for loop. Last digit I am doing the modulo operator. Sum equals to sum plus last digit into power. Power equals to power into 2, and then I'm printing this value. I hope this would have been clear. This was all for today. Thank you and keep learning.